Hello friends, welcome to fifth session of online Python internship program. So in the previous session we understand how to write database connection, how to install database server, and how to insert data from our user interface to database with the help of database connection. So in this session we'll try to delete some records from the table with the help of database connection. Let me show how to delete the record from the table. Okay, this is what the dashboard that we have created here. So the new student that what we have created is working perfectly as we expected. Now what we have to do is we have to delete the record with the help of delete student option. So if I click on this option, it is not going anywhere, it is not showing any page. Then let me create another page. Let me give some link so that if I click on this button, it should show some other page in the same way that what we did for new registration option. Okay, let me do this. Go to the file, go to the folder my app, and in templates, so let me take an empty page. Let me create a HTML file, HTML body, and I'll do the same thing. Registration, go to registration, I'll copy these things, RQ and BR tag, and paste it here, and close body, close HTML. And after this, take center, and within this center tag, what I'll do is we are taking 4 columns. One is name, registration number, contact, and email. Based on registration number, we will try to delete the record from the table. Okay, let me take registration number here. Okay, EG number, input, type is equal to text, name is equal to text, and along with the registration number, let me take a submit button. Type is equal to submit, and value is equal to submit, or delete you can take. Okay, let me put these things in form tag, form action. I'll give the name as delete record. Okay, go with delete method, and before that, okay, delete method, go to post. Okay, let me close this form tag. Okay, and save the file. So, and remember, we must save this file within the template folder itself. Okay, let me give the file name delete.html, and save the file type as all type, save. Okay, next go to our dashboard. If we click on this student, so it is not showing any page. We need to provide the link, we need to provide the path or URL so that it can move to the delete page. It means delete whatever the page that we have created right now, it will go to that page. So we need to provide the path. So how to provide the path? Let me show. Go to urls.py. Here we need to provide path, single quote, and sorry, what is the name that I have given? Delete. This is the name we have to give. URL and dot delete, and name is equal to delete. And after this, we need to move to view page. In view, we need to create a function f delete request and return render request.html. Okay, So now let me check the server. Is it throwing any error? No. So go to your dashboard and refresh the page. Click on delete student. Now it is not working, still not working. Why? Go to your dashboard. Go to dashboard. Where it is dashboard? Okay, go to dashboard. Here we need to provide the link. Again, as we did for the registration, in the same way, we have to provide the link for delete also. Okay, here we need to provide delete page. Okay, here let me close this A. Again I have to take this, what, okay, I did some mistake here. Okay, delete, let it be delete, and go to delete. It will go to view page, it will go to delete page, and in delete you have to change this name as delete data. Okay, now check it out. Is there any error? I don't think so. No error is throwing by the server. So refresh the page and click on delete student. Yes, it is perfectly moving to delete page. Now if we give some registration number here, if we press the delete button, it should delete the data from the particular table. So what we need to do is we need to go to the page, delete page, from delete data. Again we have to go to the URL. Here again we need to provide the path delete data, views dot delete data, name is equal to delete data. Okay, fine. And then go to views. Here again we need to create a function called def delete data. Okay, request. Here what we need to do is we need to receive a request. What request? So this is what the request we need to receive. Name I'll give reg, save this, and this is what the request we need to receive. So anyway we are posting post request, so go to URL, not URL, views. Here we have to take if condition request dot method to post, then reg number is to request dot post dot get of reg. Okay, then after this what we need to do is we need to write the database connection string, that what we did for registration. Okay, here my cursor, so the same line I'll copy and I'll paste it here, and then we need to take SQL is equal to, from which table we want to delete the data, student where reg number, and remember, so this name should match with this column reg number. Okay, and go to the data reg number equals single quote double quote plus. So because we are passing string data, that is why the first we should start with the single quote, next double quote and plus, and within that place we need to mention reg number, and in the same way we have to close first plus and then double quote and then single quote and again double quote, put semicolon. Okay, delete from student where registration number is equal to registration number, and then after that, so my cursor, cursor dot execute what, SQL. Only we need to provide SQL, that's it, and that's it. And we need to commit again mydb dot commit. Okay, and that's it. And after deleting the record, so the where exactly the control should go, we need to mention again. I'll copy and paste it here, but not to the registration page, but it should go to delete page, delete.html page. Okay, this is how we can write the connection so that it can delete the record from the particular table. Okay, let me check. The server is running perfectly. Let me go to the dashboard, delete this data and refresh the page. Click on login page, go to dashboard, click on delete student. So here we need to provide some registration number. Just check it out, what is the registration number that you have in your table. So this is the registration number that we have. So enter, delete. Right now again it is showing the same error that what we faced in the previous session. So it means that we miss CSRF token. Here we need to mention the CSRF token. Okay, 1% CSRF underscore token. Okay, and save. Go to the browser, refresh the page. Just a second, I missed it. Okay, refresh, click on 54654, click on delete. So again it come back to the same page. Just check it out your database, click on refresh. Yes, it is working perfectly. Our record has been deleted successfully from our table. This is how we can delete the record from the particular table with the help of user interface and the database connection. So that's it for this session. So thank you.